Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Kung Fu Panda filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here you will see a search bar. Just tap there and search for Kung Fu Panda. Okay, yeah, remember this image. This is the filter. Just tap on it. Okay, this body works in full body. So this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover and here you can search for Kung Fu Panda. Okay, here you will see video with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover. Okay, let me go back first. Okay, then you can visit to this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this Kung Fu Panda filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.